Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.8% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 2.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street indexes fell as an unexpected rise in retail sales pointed to resilience in the economic recovery, pushing up yields and spurring a broad move out of heavyweight technology stocks. South Korean regulators are set to shut down dozens of cryptocurrency exchanges in the coming days, though the impact is likely to be felt only on the margins of the industry given the low volumes involved. The dollar climbed to the higher end of recent ranges against other major currencies as traders looked to next week's Federal Reserve policy meeting for indications on how soon the U.S. Central Bank will start to taper stimulus.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1400 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The Austrian HICP at 700 GMT. The UK's retail sales will be released at 600 GMT. The UK's consumer inflation expectations at 8:30 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.